Hey there, everyone. It's a beautiful day out. I think I'm going to go do some metal detecting. Join me. So I guess I'm going to do some metal detecting over here down in the South Valley, Albuquerque. I'm just a few feet away from the Rio Grande. It's just beyond those trees. So I'm out here hunting with my Ace Garrett 400. Let's see what I could find. So I'm picking up something in about the 83 range, showing it could be silver, dime, penny. See what I could find. So I just dug this up. It's a 1935 New Mexico tax token. Pretty cool. Well, this was awesome. The same hole I dug up one tax token, I got another tax token. Two 1935 New Mexico tax tokens. I can't believe it. Found this old pull tab. Pretty neat. Look at this. I think it's part 2 a hubcap. Not sure if you can read that. It says Ford on it. Pretty cool. Not sure what it is. Could be a buckle. Who knows? So out of that hole right there, just a couple inches down, found looks like what appears to be possibly lead. So I pulled this, looks like copper, some kind of copper plate out of this hole right there. Some writing on it. Some kind of designs. Not sure what it is. I'll have to clean it up and then post a picture of it. Well, what I thought was a ring turned out to not be a ring. Someone lost their marble. Found this unusual piece of metal. Check out this cute little medicine bottle. Found the top tune oil can. Chevron oil. It's been a while since I found one. Dug up a spoon. Found what appears to possibly be some kind of suspenders buckle, some kind of piece just to some suspenders, but if anybody knows what this is, comment below. Just dug up this unusual plate. Had some odd looking designs to it. If you know what it is, comment below. Whew. Spent the last couple hours down here at the Bosque metal detecting. A little out of breath, thirsty. It's getting a little cold out here. It was a fun day. Found a couple interesting things. It was good to get out and enjoy life.